Hi, my name's Allison with My Alley Travels, and this week we're here on Harmony of the Seas. We are a family of 4, but we are staying in a really cool room. It is the ultra spacious Oceanview room with a balcony, and there's only 7 of these rooms on this ship. So let's take a look. Over here, we have the normal bed, which is a king-size bed. If you were here with friends, you could separate that and your little nightstands would move into the middle. But we're here with my husband and my 2 kids, so we've got ours together. On each side, you have a closet, which has ample hanging space. In this one, you have a safe. You can create your own code and keep any valuables in here. And then you also have some drawers down below. Over here, we have the living room. This room actually holds 6 people. We only have 4 this week, but we were excited to try this room out as we hadn't been on it before. But if you have 6, this turns into a bed, and then underneath is a trundle bed that would pull out as well. You have your desk area, some extra drawer space. You also have a little mini fridge here as well if you'd like to store any drinks. Got our TV here. So what's nice is you could sit here on the couch, in a chair, or in bed and be able to see the TV. You also have more storage over here with different shelves as well as more hanging space. I feel like this is a great room for storage. It has 3 different areas where you can hang stuff, and then there's also another storage space over here. Now this is my favorite part of the room, which is why I really wanted to get it for our kids. We have built-in bunk beds, and you don't see that a lot on the Oasis Class ships. And here you've got, each of them have a bunk bed with a little reading light as well. And then you also have some storage over here where they can put some stuff. There's also a privacy curtain right here. So if the kids go to sleep before you, you can close it and let them have some privacy. And over here we have a standard bathroom for a cruise ship. You've got your shower and your sink with some storage as well in there. I love that you have an adjustable shower rod here, so you can change it for your kids, or if your husband's taller like mine, you got ample space for it. One of the things I was super excited about with this room, it is extra long. Normally a standard balcony or standard room is not much bigger width-wise than your bed, but in this one we have so much space, and with 2 growing boys, it's the perfect place for a family. Let's go check out the extra large balcony as well. Out here you have an extra large balcony with 2 chairs, as well as a table for you to hang out. Normally a balcony is about probably 3/4 of the size of this, but you get an extra little space here because this room is extra large. You've got 2 chairs here that also have little footrests in case you wanted to lounge out here. And you also have a little cocktail table, so if you want to come out here and have a drink or coffee in the morning as you're cruising on the ship. Also, if you happen to have a room next door to family or friends, you can open these partitions right here and your balconies would connect. On our last cruise on Harmony of the Seas, my parents, we didn't have a connecting room inside, but they were next door to us. And so we were able to have this open and you could access each other's room from the outside on the balcony. So for this ultra spacious Oceanview room with a balcony, there are 7 of these on Harmony of the Sea. 5 of them are right here on deck 11. We're in room 11166. There are 2 others that are at the aft of the ship back on deck 7, and they're configured a little bit differently, so we don't have videos of that one, but it's a longer room where this one's a little bit more of a wider room. There are also some ultra spacious just Oceanview rooms where they don't have balconies, but they have similar layouts as this. You just have an ocean view versus a balcony. And if you're looking to book a cruise for your friends or family, please let me know. I love cruises, especially Royal Caribbean, so I'm here to help you and answer any questions that you might have.